from Peru.
Are you from Peru?
From it's in South America.
Wow, that's good. And as you know, I am from Bangladesh.
Yeah. I've never heard about that country, but I guess
Wow,
it
that's
must
very
be
sad
interesting.
that you haven't heard about my country, but Bangladesh is a very famous country for visit. So many American people often come to my country for visit, and we are very famous for cricket sports, and we are in the world rank. Um, Probably we are in rank 5, 7, and relevant this rank.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a very great rank for world cricket, and we are very famous for cricket. But
Okay.
you probably don't know about my country because in your country football is very famous, as I know, right? Football, soccer
Mm.
sports is very famous in your country. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you do for a living, and what are you doing now currently?
For a living, I study. I don't work. Well, I mean, I work teaching one of traditional dance here in my country, but I'm just working because it's summer and things like that. But usually, I'm just studying, and sometimes I teach English.
Wow, that's
Um,
great.
yeah, and right now I was kind of bored because I was here in my house, so I decided to enter here to episode
That's good. So, how long have you been using Episoden?
for like 2 days.
2 days. It's been
I
only
mean,
2 days. So, who told you about these platforms, and how did you know about episode and platform?
well, I am practicing right now for one of the most important exams I'm going to have in my life. So my teacher told me like you should go to episode, and it's a very nice app. You can practice and stuff like that. So I decided to get in just because I was curious, and it was a nice app. So I got linked, and I decided to come here.
Well, that's pretty good. But in my case, I have been using this platform such a long days. But beside that, I was using another one that was also a pretty good apps called Free for Talk, and before that, I was using Hello application as well in order to make a English conversation with other people. And currently, I am engaged with that platform because finding new people is quite easy, and escape is quite difficult in this platform. But as you know, we have another apps called OmiTV, where stuck with someone and make a conversation is so difficult. So compared to these platforms, I would say Episode is pretty good.
Yeah, I even like most episoding because it's more easy and safer to use.
Yep,
I mean,
definitely.
I am not 18, not yet, but for me it's been very safe, and if I don't like to find that person again, I just choose it and things like that. I mean, it's very easy to use,
Yeah.
and there are hosts that help you to use the app. Very nice, honestly.
Okay, that's good. So, which level do you study currently? Are you doing study at university level or in a college level, or what is it? What is the like educational systems in your home country?
Well, in my country it's just high school, but here you if you want a better English, you have to pay for a school like really expensive, and or you can go to an institute. In my case, when I was on first grade of primary, I guess I went to an institute, and I spent there like 7 or 8 years there because I was too young to finish. Like I was, I guess, 10, 10 or 11 years old. So they made my process like longer. So I finished 2 years ago when I was 13, and I finished very well.
Wow, that's good. So how old are you currently right now?
Now I am 16.
16. Wow, that's good.
Yeah,
So, is it like easy to find a job in your home country after completing their study?
depends really on how connected you are to important people. Or if you want to find your own way, you have to first be really, really down. My sister is a lawyer. Well, she ended university last year. So now she is graduated and now she's searching for a job. But
Wow.
she was intelligent and she worked with an important um, lawyer like her whole career. So she can be recommended to another places and things like that. You have to be very, very intelligent for those things. Very clever, really.
Wow, that's good. And I just say in my country as well, but I was thinking that it's very hard to get a job only in my country. But whenever I talk with different countries people, they're telling me the same things because getting a job is not easy things. You have to be intelligent enough, you have to be clever enough, and then you will be able to get a job. And it should be as well because police people should not get a job because they are going to destroy everything. So thank you very much, it was a great conversation with you, and our time is going to be up. Thank you very much.